So hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Mahitra Ghosh, and I was civil engineering student at Kolkata. And recently, the Indian Ports Association has been conducted a examination on behalf of Shama Mukherjee Port, Kolkata. And so here I want to discuss about the cutoff. This exam was held on December 2nd at various places across India. And in this video, especially, I was talking about the post regarding the civil engineering department. I'm talking about civil engineering only. So regarding the estate manager and other posts, I'm not talking in this video. So as per my analysis, what will be the cutoff and what are the highest marks I had seen? So I had contact various friends in Kolkata, in my college, and various cities like Delhi. Okay, and in South I had contacted my friends from Hyderabad. Okay, so there were a few friends of mine in these places. So I think there are, as per RTR reply, what I got, there will be around 1,000 to 1,500 applicants for this examination within the civil engineering department. Okay, so this is civil engineering department only. So I'm talking about the cutoffs of civil engineering department specially. So the total applicants will be 1,000 to 1,500, and I had friends and various people I had contacted in the Telegram groups of this IPA port. And till now, the exam has been conducted for 160 marks. Okay, so for 160 marks, totally there was 100 marks for civil and 60 marks for English, aptitude, and we have reasoning and we have current affairs also. So this is for 160 marks paper. And regarding the uh, expected results, so as per my analysis of expected results, I had contacted through the HR department of Smpk recently, and as well as the Indian Ports Association. So the exam date will be expected to be Jan last week. Okay, January last week. Okay, it may be January last week. Generally, they will take 45 days of time for any recruitment to announce. So as per my analysis, within 45 days, they will give the results. And it could be between Jan 28th to Jan 30th. Anytime the results can be expected. Okay, so these are the expected result dates. I'm not sure about it, but I had contacted the HR team. So as per their analysis, they will be going to upload the result by Jan 31st. Okay, so now come to the main reason why I'm making this video is to tell the expected cutoffs. Okay, so the expected cutoff. Okay, so as per my analysis, I had seen the marks of over 300 plus students. Okay, so I had seen more than 300 plus students marks, and the highest that I got to know is 148.75. Okay, so I had a information of a student. He's from Delhi, I think so. He's from Delhi, and he had scored around 148.75 marks, and he had scored very good marks in this examination. The paper difficulty is around easy to moderate paper. Okay, so this is the easy to moderate paper. This need to be important thing that need to be considered. And I had seen most of the people that were scoring average score. So this is the highest. So this is the highest I had seen. And coming to the average score, so average score is varying around 120 plus marks. Okay, so most of the students are going around 120 plus, and so as per this analysis, I can expect the following cutoff. Okay, so I will be writing for different categories. There are totally 14 posts, including AEE and AE, AM. Sorry. So there are 14 posts, and out of this, OC, OBC, EWS, SC, and ST. There are five categories, right? So, as per my analysis, what could be the cutoff for various branches? So, as per my analysis, I could say I had contacted many people, and the expected cutoff for OC will be around 137 to 140. Okay, so this is the marks that I'm expecting for OC candidates. Coming to the OBC candidates, then I could say it will be varying from 134 marks to 136 marks. Okay, so this is I'm talking about uh, without interview. Okay, so whatever the cutoff I'm giving, this is without interview. Okay, so last year they had recruited through without interview. They had joined everyone with their performance in CBT test. So based upon that only I'm giving the analysis. Okay, so coming to EWS will be I think 130 to 132 marks, same as OBC, most of them. And coming to SC/ST, I don't have much information about these categories, but I could say it will be around 128 for both, 128 to 130. Okay, so this is my analysis. There were students, I think for this, it may be slightly less also. So it will be around 125 to 128 marks. So this is for SE and ST. I had seen few one student I know, he had scoring around 127 marks. So I had seen around 20 to 30 students only who were on an average to their score. Okay, so this marks based upon, okay, whatever the cutoff that I had given above, whatever the cutoff I had given above, this is based upon final selection. If there is a final selection, then I think this will be the expected cutoff. Okay, if there is an interview, okay, so interview, in case of interview, it may change minus minus. So the expected cutoff for interview. Okay, so for interview it will be around plus, sorry, not plus, it will be minus 2 to 3 marks. Okay, since there is a selection for interview. Okay, I want to tell about information about the interview process. So it will be in the ratio of 1:3 or 1:5. I'm not sure about it, but they were calling based upon 1:3. I had seen this one. 1:3 is mostly called, and 1:5 is very rare. So as per that, I am giving that this will be around 2 to 3 marks to the actual cutoff what I had given. So the interview process, generally the CBT marks are considered to be 85, or you can say I had seen the PDF of Smpk selection process. So out of, they will scale it for 100 marks, and 100 marks will 90 marks out of 100 will be based upon CBT, and 5 marks. Okay, so 160 marks they will scale off to 90 marks, and they will see how much students are getting based upon this. And 5 marks will be your experience. Experience is not mandatory, but it is a desirable required for many students. So those who have the experience will get that 5 marks edge. Okay, so only 5 marks are difference for experienced candidate. It is not mandatory, but it was desirable. Okay, and another 5 marks will be your actual performance in the interview. Okay, so this is as per my analysis, as per the people I had talking with. So they were telling this need to be the case. Okay, so the expected results will be soon in 10 to 20 days, 10 to 15 days. Okay, so I request all of you to please subscribe to my channel and encourage me. This is my first video. I decided to go with the exam I wrote. So you are curious about, you may be curious about my marks. So I'm getting around 132 marks, 132.25. So I am not expecting a call because I was from OC category. So I was not expecting it, but this was my first video. So I request everyone to please subscribe. Okay, thank you. So the most of subscribe, please. So the most of uh, see, the most of the information I had given, that is purely genuine. Okay, so I had contacted a good circle of friends, so they were uh, telling about their marks, and I had seen their responses. That's why I'm selling this. So there are people who were scoring good marks, but don't be disappointed with your marks. I think there is another recruitment that is coming under IPA soon, very soon. There are 10 posts for civil engineering department. Okay, for civil engineering. So you can expect future notification on behalf of various ports. Okay, so all the best, keep preparing. Okay, so the best views comes after the hardest climbs. So you be prepared for hardest climbs first, then you will get the best views. Okay, all the very best.